Nikita, girl. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. That feels so good to say. It's your girl King Lex. Are you blessed and bougie? Cause I know I am okay. Today we're gonna be talking about Miss Nikita Dragun's Morphe collaboration palette. We're gonna be using it. Actually, well, I'm gonna be using it. If you don't have it, you can, if you do, follow along. If not, go buy it. I got this for my birthday, actually. Shout out to my mom. You go, girl. I have a lot of things to say about it. But before we get into this video, if you're not already subscribed to the fam, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button right here. And also give this video a nice old thumbs up if you're ready to get into it. Turn on those post notifications as well, because I'm about to be putting out a lot of content. Are you ready? Before we get into it, I would like to thank everybody for the amount of love I received on my last video. Fully transparent in that video, I discussed a lot. I received multiple texts. Well, not really, mostly DMs from people I don't know. Some people I know, but some people I don't. A lot of you can relate to me and what I went through, and where there was words of encouragement, like keep going, welcome back. But also, oh, I've been struggling with that too. I went through something similar. That is the whole reason why I posted in the first place. Yes, I'm entertaining, all that in the third, but if I'm able to touch somebody's life or impact somebody's life in any way, that is all that means something to me. And I just received an amazing amount of love, and a lot of it is coming from strangers, which is crazy because the people I quote unquote know that know I'm going through something, they don't say a word. But you know what, it's all good. Please don't come running to me when I'm out here popping, period. Well, obviously I had to get a collaboration for the both of them. Morphe has increasingly become my favorite makeup brand for so many reasons. First of all, the quality for the price. Let me tell you something. Everybody ain't got KKW beauty money. Everybody ain't got Kylie cosmetic money. Hell, everybody ain't even got fancy beauty money. I mean, I got a couple fancy pieces. I'm not gonna flex, but a lot of high quality brands, I'm not gonna call anybody out in case somebody wanna put me on their PR list. A lot of people slap a name on it and the quality is trash and it's not affordable. It isn't reasonable for the average person. But Miss Nikita, she is a beauty influencer, Instagrammer, socialite, whatever you want to call it, social whatever. She literally gets paid to serve looks. I mean, if I could have a job where I got paid to serve while I'm over here touching lives, the dream. First of all, it's the packaging. The whole aesthetic of it, it's so Nikita. Like, if you don't know, Nikita will serve you looks. I mean, this completely embodies her whole entire vibe. The names, I'm not about to swatch these because that will take forever and my arm is gonna be dirty and nasty. The ones that catch my eye, I was so excited. This Metamorphosis, do y'all see that? Oh my gosh, matter of fact, I'm gonna record it and I'm gonna put a clip in there. This Metamorphosis, the Full Fantasy, the Matrix, that's the one I'm really excited to use. But today, I'm gonna do a little copycat version of one of the looks that she did in her ad campaign. I'm not gonna do it exactly like her, but you know, a little something similar. I usually do this the rest of my full face after I do my eyeshadow, because I hate if I do my eyeshadow and it falls out all through here and I already got my concealer, foundation, all that good stuff on. But in the spirit of the video, I thought I'd save y'all some time. So I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, obviously, because that is all I use. Focus, we don't have time for the game. In the color light medium beige, and I always use this to prime my eyelids no matter what. I think I'm gonna go in with this Nikita color first. Oh, it's like a bubblegum pink. I think that's so pretty. So far, no fallout. If she come up and she show out, we gonna know we have a winner. Wait a minute, we might have a winner. Not that I doubted Nikita or anything of that nature, because I heard her products are quality, Morphe is quality, but this right here, this might be a move. This might be a move. Okay, so this is fierce. This is fierce. So far, I'm liking this. I feel like I need to get the camera up a little higher. I gotta figure out how to do that because she ain't sitting on nothing but this vanity. See, these are the struggles you go through when you broke. I have no fallout anywhere through here. That is a great sign because like I said, that is the first thing that I'm gonna check for. Let me see. I think I'm gonna go in with Mystique. I like that. I like that. That's this dark purple right here. That's above the Matrix color, which I'm dying to use. And we're gonna do these outer corners. I feel like y'all know where I'm going with this. Y'all might know where I'm going with this. And we're just gonna go in the crease. I'm actually gonna mix Mystique with Mama Dragun, which is the color right next to it, because I love that purple. That purple is like calling my name. And I hate purple. I'm not a fan of the color purple, the movie either, because silly mama, my thing, I don't like that. Okay, now that we got the pink and the purple kind of set and blended into there, if you guessed it, you guessed it, we are going to do a little cut crease. I used to hate cut creases. If y'all watch any of my older videos from like 2018, it was my first like official cut crease. Girl, it was all bad. Anyways, I like to take my Shape Tape and I'm using the tip of the concealer. I like how the head is flat. It's easier to apply for the lid instead of like going in and dabbing. You just get like a nice clean stroke. So that's what I'm about to do. See, look at that. 2 years, I'm still messing up. 2 years, and I'm still messing up. It's all good, though. We're gonna make this work. Y'all know what's crazy? I'm left-handed. I'm ambidextrous, but predominantly I'm left-handed. But this is the right hand. Make it make sense, Jesus. It is what it is. All right, I'm gonna go back in with my Mama Dragun, and I'm just gonna gently dab the area that is just not right, because that's just all ghetto, and I just don't have time for it. You see how I do that? You saw, I did it. She's pigmented, you know? What we gonna do with the part that I cut creased is go in with this chrome.
Why is everything chrome?
Everything is chrome in the future.
She's a chrome girl. And the chrome color is called Cyborg. Oh my god, this one right here. I don't really do silver colors, but as of late, I, for some reason, have really been into like using silvers, wearing silver. Usually stuff like this doesn't apply as well. It's not as smooth, but we gonna see. I got high hopes for you. We gonna see. Let's see, let's go in with that. Let's dab it in there. Oh, right out the gate. Jump back.
Jump back.
Twist the bones and bend the back. Okay, Halloween is over. She is a pigmented. I could do some things with her. And I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay, went out of the cut crease already. The devil isn't gonna bring me down. I believe in blending. Even though it's kind of well blended now, I'm just gonna go in a little bit and just kind of move in and out between that little line so that it's just a smooth transition, because I hate a unblended eye with a cut crease. It's just like, what were you doing? What were you thinking? Did you think that was cute? You must not have friends. This is what she didn't do in the palette, but I'm gonna do anyway. I don't know, it just came to me. Y'all know how I feel about my greens, right? Y'all know how I feel about my greens, my neons. I'm a neon girl as of late. I'm a neon girl. And what I'm gonna do is go in with this beautiful no, she didn't. No, she didn't name it Shigo. I love me a Shigo. Shigo be like, give it up, Kim Possible.
Shigo?
Turn around!
The Shigo Kim Possible. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to make this green pop off a little bit more, I am going to get a little bit of my Shape Tape and dab it. Because again, we're applying an eyeshadow, even though it's under the eye, and we want it to pop. That's the whole point of using eye primer. I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to do this, but this is what I got for right now. Oh no, get out of there. Get out of there. All right, so we're gonna go in with this Shigo. Hopefully this makes it pop a little bit. Ooh, okay. Shigo, yes. She's giving you green flame, you know. Now that we got the green in there, I'm done with using the palette, and I'm gonna go in with this white eyeliner, liquid liner by NYX NYX. This is one of my favorites. I've just had this for a long time. I probably need to retire her. I don't use it enough to go buy another one. But we're gonna go in with this on the waterline down at the bottom, and we're gonna line these eyes. It's just gonna give that pop. It's gonna set it off. Set it off in this mug. Set it off. It's so tricky doing this because I have contacts, and every time, it does not matter how precise it does get in my contact. So if all of a sudden I look in the camera, you see white on my eyeball, no, I'm not turned into some kind of cyborg, nothing crazy like that there. Just know it's the eyeliner on my contact. Already in my contact, it's already in my contact. But look how that just sets it off. Like, you really gonna see it when I put the lashes on though. I'm gonna go ahead and do the lashes, okay? I wish I had more dramatic lashes. I had some that I used for my birthday, but I had a jumbo margarita that night, and I don't know where that stuff is, so bear with me. Okay, let's have one of these lashes. Ready, set, go. Okay, now that we do the lashes, let's go ahead and do these lipitos. Let's do these lips. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, we did the lips. Now, the look doesn't add up with the clothes. So if you just give me one moment, let me get myself together, okay? But does your hair and your eyeshadow and your clothes match your eyeshadow palette? I think not. So I would give Miss Nikita Dragun and her Morphe collaboration palette a solid 9. I've never given anything a 10, but I love this. My James Charles palette is my go-to right now, and my, what is this, Fierce by Nature palette. Those are my go-tos, but this is definitely getting added into it. This is gonna be my go-to for color. Or I need to pop out, I need to make a quick statement. I love it, the pigmentation, the quality, the presentation. I'm all about the aesthetic. And Nikita, sis, you did that with the aesthetic. Next time I need to be on your PR list, I feel like I shouldn't have to be telling you this. Write this down, take a picture, I don't know, hit me up, have your people call me, because I ain't got no people yet, but that's besides the point, okay? Morphe, you do the same thing, put me on that PR list. I don't wanna say it again.
I ain't gonna say it no more. Put some respect on my name.
Anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed my look. I like it. I feel like I'm like a mermaid goddess slash sorceress slash dragon. This is an empowering look. I'm mad that I'm just gonna be sitting here because I feel like I need to be seen. I need to be out. I need to be somebody's bar. But you know, quarantine.
Coronavirus!
So, as always, please make sure to stay blessed, beautiful, bougie, Rona-free. Keep yourself safe. Keep your loved ones safe. And wear your mask.
Wear a mask.
I'll see you all in the next video. Peace. Hit the Lex titty twerk. Hey, hey, hit the Lex titty twerk. All right, let me stop for one of these pop out. They can try to sue me, put me up on here for copyright infringement of a titty. Excuse me. Bye.